Hello.
Hello,
Yeah. Hi. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Yeah, I am doing great. What's your name? Where are you from?
My name is Pankaj and I am from Maharashtra.
Okay. Nice.
And what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Razni and I am from Himachal Pradesh.
Okay. So, what do you do, Rajni?
Actually, I am homemaker.
Okay.
Yeah. So, by the way, what do you do?
I have completed graduation in computer science
Okay.
and now I am looking for a job.
Okay. Nice. Why are you learning
Mm.
English? What purpose have behind of learning English?
I want to learn English for interview.
Okay, nice. That's good. Actually, Pankaj, I have a one topic for discussion. Actually, all the
Mm.
learner have a question: should we learn the grammar or not? If you
Mm-hmm.
if you come to know about grammar is good or not for improving English.
First of all, English is not our native language. Our
Yeah,
language is Hindi or any other language.
yeah,
And when we consider English language,
yeah,
having basic knowledge about grammar is necessary, according to my opinion.
yeah.
We should not have to go deep into that knowledge, but
Okay.
only basic knowledge should be uh, known to us.
Yeah, exactly. Because some part of
Mm.
grammar is very important, as like tense, tense and passive. That's it.
Yes,
This part is
tenses.
very important for improving English. And another thing,
Yes.
you should focus on improving your communication skill. You should have the practice a lot. So I feel
Mm-hmm.
you will be definitely improved.
Yes, yes. Learning grammar is not bad.
Yeah,
Uh, it is good for improving your English.
yeah.
But when we consider about uh, job interviews and those things, grammar is usually not considered.
Yeah.
Only your knowledge and communication skills are considered.
Yeah, exactly. Grammar, when is important, then you want to give the exam. So that time
Yes,
grammar is
like
very important. A
competitive
competitive
exams.
exam, yeah, exactly. Otherwise,
Mm-hmm.
you should not take the importance for about, I think,
Yes, for
grammar portion. Yeah,
yes, because when we speak in English, grammar does not matter.
yeah,
Only
exactly.
we have to convey thoughts to each other.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Actually, all
Mm.
the learner think something like this: should we learn grammar? Because should we learn grammar or not? So, according to me, grammar is not important when you want to speak.
Yes, yes.
So that time grammar is not important. Otherwise,
Uh,
you should want to give the
Grammar
exam.
is not important, but if we know grammar, then it will be good.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Mm.
Actually, when
Mhm.
I started to learn English, so that times I learned everything related to speaking English as a grammar portion. But that times I
Yes,
couldn't
yes. It
speak
will.
English
It.
single word. Yeah, but
Mhm.
since
And
when I
definitely,
have been,
it will help you. It
yeah,
will help you. You
yeah,
have learned many things in grammar. It will help you definitely.
yeah, exactly. but
Mm-hmm.
but that times I couldn't speak English single word. But since when I have been practice continuously, as I
Mm-hmm.
have practice, I have speak with other person, I have speak with myself. So I feel I am
Mm-hmm.
being the perfect in English.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yes, practice is necessary
yeah,
after all.
yeah, practice is very important.
Some users on this app say you should watch English movies with
Yeah,
subtitles
yeah,
and you
exactly.
should learn some grammar and some storybooks.
Yeah,
These all things are okay, but without doing practice,
yeah,
without speaking, we cannot learn English.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, I
Mm,
watch
and
daily English movies, I watch English
mm,
content. But when
mm,
when you don't speak in English, so you can't speak English. You
yes,
have confidence,
exactly.
yeah. You,
English is such a language we
yeah,
have to speak, otherwise we cannot learn.
yeah, exactly.
Mm.
So,
So, what is your education background?
actually, I have completed MCom.
MCom, okay, in Hindi or English?
No, actually, I have completed MCom through Hindi medium.
Oh, you have completed your education in Hindi, but your
Yeah,
English is very good.
yeah. No, actually, I'm not that good. I am trying to be better. I am not better
Yes,
because I am
yes.
trying to speak English. Yeah,
My experience is that when a student comes from his native language medium, then his English is not so good. But you are from Hindi medium, and your English is better than those.
okay, thank you for appreciating me, but I am not that good.
Yes, yes, you will be improve your English.
Actually,
Only you have to practice daily.
actually, I have one issue because I
Hmm.
speak English well. I can handle when I try to speak English, but I don't have more
Mm-hmm.
much vocabulary. This is a very big
Vocabulary,
problem I have. Yeah, I don't have more
yes,
much
it is.
vocabulary. Yeah,
This is the problem with everyone,
yeah,
and we should consider that
yeah,
whatever vocabulary is known to us, it is sufficient.
yeah,
Only we have to speak
yeah,
and make the use of that vocabulary.
yeah, exactly. But I
And
cleared yeah,
if you have to improve, increase your vocabulary, then you can do anything for that. Various material is available on internet or in
yeah,
books.
exactly.
Hmm.
Because I can't understand, I can't learn vocabulary because I have one issue,
Hmm.
because I can't learn grammar when I don't use.
Yes,
Bec-
application is necessary.
yeah, because when I use vocabulary words in sentence, English sentence, so that times automatically I can understand very well, I can learn very well,
Hmm.
but because of which I can't.
Okay, okay. But for me, learning vocabulary is very boring.
Okay, yeah, exactly.
Yes, yes. Because when we take a new word for learning or knowing its meaning, then it's very boring. But when we use that word, then it
Okay,
is easy.
okay.
When we use that word in our sentences, then it is easy.
Yeah, exactly.
Only memorizing that words and it is not interesting.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why. It is only rectification. There is no use.
Okay.
Mm.
So
So, what is your future plan? You want to give any interview or you want to do job?
actually, I didn't give any interview, but I want to give the teach why I want to teach in English.
Okay, you want to become a teacher.
Yeah, but first of all, I will be perfect. So then
Mm.
I can teach other person.
Yes, exactly. First of all, we should have knowledge about that
Yeah.
particular subject. Okay, so you can start from taking tuitions at home.
No, actually, right now I am totally free at my home. I don't have any work to do, but I want to join
Mm.
any school.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Then it is good. You have any children?
No, I don't have any child yet.
Okay, then you are totally free, so you
Yeah,
can
I am
manage.
totally free at my home. So that times I am,
Mm-hmm.
I am doing that time pass through, learning the English.
Okay, and which subject do you like to teach?
Actually, I like English and I like math.
Maths. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, both the subjects are important for students and interesting for us.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, yes. English, mathematics, and science is also important.
Yeah, exactly.
These three subjects, and nowadays computer is also coming in trend
Yeah.
nowadays. Hmm. It is taught in many schools, computer knowledge.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So,
So, what are you doing now? Are you at your home?
yeah, this times I am at my home and I am talking with you.
Okay, okay. And what does your husband do?
My husband is a government employee.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Which department?
He's a policeman.
Policeman.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice. So, taking government job is a dream for every student,
Yeah, exactly.
and your husband got it.
Yeah.
You are also lucky that you are a wife of a government employee.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
So, have you any experience regarding this application?
Yes, I have many calls from this application.
Okay.
Some are good, some are bad.
Okay. Yeah,
Hmm.
I think same I have because some people of them they try to flirt, but some people of them as they like you, they try to learn English.
Hmm.
So
Yes, yes.
yeah,
This
so
app is not for flirting or other things. This
yeah,
is only for learning English.
yeah,
And if we try
exactly.
to do such things, then we can get banned.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, if anyone report us, then we can be completely banned on this app.
Yeah,
So if we make the use of this app good, then it is very good for us.
yeah.
We
Actually,
can talk with strangers.
yeah, actually, this application is good for them who want to learn English without partner.
Yes, yes, it happens
Yeah,
because in our day-to-day life,
yeah,
we don't have anyone to talk in English.
yeah, exactly.
So,
Yeah,
and talking with anyone is difficult in day-to-day life.
yeah. Actually,
And
since
on
when,
this app, what?
yeah,
Mhm.
actually, since when I have been using this application, I feel I will, I am getting improved.
Yes, yes,
My
we will
confidence,
definitely.
my flow is getting improved. Yeah.
Yes, yes, we can become fluent.
Yeah. Actually, I don't have any partner and any environment. So I
Yes, yes,
think,
same here.
yeah. So you can think because this is a very, very bad situation for me because I don't have any partner and any person. It's okay, but all the people's, in which they don't have any partner and any person because of which they speak very well in English.
Mm-hmm.
So
How?
yeah, I think
How can they
environment
learn?
and person
For
is not important for improving English. If you have courage.
hmm
Yeah.
courage, but practice is necessary. Without that, we cannot learn.
Yeah, practice is very necessary. Without practice, you can't achieve
At least,
anything. Yeah.
if we do not have any partner, then at least we should talk on this app.
Yeah. Actually,
I think
yeah,
that
yeah,
30 minutes per day is important for us
yeah,
to practice on this app daily.
yeah, exactly.
Hmm.
So,
Okay. What you are telling?
yeah, please.
You was telling something.
No, no, actually, I'm not telling.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
so
So,
yeah, can
are
you?
you trying for any government job?
Yeah, please.
Are you applying for any government job?
No, actually, I have not applied the any job yet.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, but I
So you
want.
will.
I am interested to give the interview to apply the job. Yeah, but
In private or private?
any government and private, any job I want to get.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, nowadays you are free, so you can get job easily.
Yeah, actually, I'm not free, but I have a YouTube channel. I have created a YouTube channel. I speak in
Okay.
English. I have practice in front of
Mm-hmm.
people. So yeah, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is a
Okay. You.
this is a my because I am doing the time pass through making the YouTube channel because I don't have any partner, and I decided I should make the
Mhm.
YouTube channel.
Okay. What is the name of your YouTube channel?
English with Rajni Devi.
Okay. English with Rajni Devi. Okay.
Yeah.
I will find it and subscribe.
Okay. So yeah. So do you have any question for me? Hello, Pankaj.
Nothing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Have you did your lunch?
No, I have not.
No.
Not. I have not
Oh, oh.
eat the lunch because I don't eat the lunch.
Directly at night or
Yeah.
evening.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay, okay.
So
After with your husband.
have you eaten?
Yes, before some time.
Okay, okay, okay.
Mm,
Okay.
okay.
So thank you. Nice to talk to you, Pankaj. I wish
Same,
you got
same. Nice to talk with
any
you.
dream. Yeah.
Thank you.
So thank you. Nice to talk to you again. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes, and best of luck for your future. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.